Okay. Okay. So I have my sheet right here for my H practice. And I am going to zoom in. Before I do that, let me lower this number here. I am going to zoom in so that you can see me trace and write capital H. But first, I need to write my name. So if you have your paper with you, you can also write your name. Let me zoom in. Okay, so let's see, I have Miss Rainy. That's R I N I. Okay, so I wrote my name. Then I'm going to come here. It says trace and practice writing capital H. So that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to zoom in some more so that you can see me write this H. All right, let me move this up to 3. So I'm going to start inside of these blue lines here, and I'm going to trace in between with the line going down and then stop. Then I'm going to come over here and then I'm going to draw another line down, and then I'm going to stop right there, and then I'm going to go in the middle and draw a line, that straight line across from this line to this line, like that. That is how you make a capital H. So I'm going to try again. So I'm going to start in between this blue line, and I'm going to draw a line that goes all the way down, and then I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to go on this side and draw a line all the way down like that. And then I'm going to go over here and draw a line across. That's how you do an H. So let me see if I can show you what it looks like when it's smaller. There you go. So you're going to finish tracing these H's and see if you can make your own. So I'm going to try right here. Line down. Right there. Notice I don't go here. This is the no-no area. We don't go there. And then I'm going to come over here and go down. Make a line down. And then I'm going to make a line across. That's an H. And I'm going to try one more time. A line down and then stop. Over here, another line down. Then I'm going to stop. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes across. That is a capital H. So you're going to try and write H's on this line, this line, this line, and this line. Do your best. And when you're finished, you're going to do what it says right here. Use a blue do-a-dot marker or paint to color this H. Now, adults, if you do not have a blue do-a-dot marker, you can make your own. Look for the video where it says make your own blue do-a-dot marker. Hello friends, this is Rini, your virtual teacher's assistant, and right now I'm going to show you how to complete this part of my early learners worksheet. It says use a blue do-a-dot marker or paint to color this H. hopefully you saw the video on how you can make a simple do or dot marker. I have a top to an essential oil bottle here, and then I have this pom-pom that I got from my local art store. And this says use a blue one, so I have blue paint in here. So it's simple. Once you use glue to glue the pom-pom onto the bottle cap, I just dip it in blue paint, and then I go in the inside the circles. So you can do this with your child, if you're a parent, and you can do this with your students if you're a teacher. This is a really cool, cheap way to make your own do a dot marker, and then have them go in the H like that. Here you go. Lesson complete. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to get more videos like this. See you soon.